Hey guys, this is Bharti. Welcome to another episode of Yoga for Weight Loss. In today's episode, the focus is going to be on that booty. So you'll really feel the burn in those glute muscles and the buttocks. So let's hop onto the mat and get going.
We will start with some cat-cow stretches. So come into a tabletop position with your wrists under your shoulders and knees below your hips. As you inhale, extend your spine up. And as you exhale, curl your spine as you suck in your belly. Let's do a few of these to warm up. Last one. And come back to neutral. Now start walking your hands forward and lower your shoulders towards the ground. Keep your hips stacked above your knees and touch your head to the ground. Just breathe into the stretch you feel in your shoulders and back. Slowly rise up and come back to tabletop. Then maintaining the 90-degree angle at your knees, start lifting your right leg up. Take it up as high as you can without tilting your body to the side. Both your hips should stay parallel to the floor. Then as you exhale, bring the knee down. Now let's repeat this. As you inhale, swing the leg up. As you exhale, bring it down. We'll do 10 reps of this. Very nice. Let's switch the legs and repeat for the other side. Last one. Very good. Now maintaining this position, start lifting your left knee sideways till your thigh becomes parallel to the floor. Slowly bring it down. Let's do 10 of these side leg lifts. Keep breathing. Inhale as you go up. Exhale on the way down. Last one. And let's switch sides. Raise your right knee as you inhale. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 8 more to go. Last one, and come down to child's pose. Come back to tabletop. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, push down your feet and hands on the ground and start lifting your hips up to come to a downward dog position. Walk your dog a few times to open up the hamstrings. Finally, bring both the heels down and press into the shoulders to come into downward dog. Now start lifting your right leg up. Keep the toes of your right foot pointing down so that both your hips remain parallel to the floor. Then bring the right foot in and place it between your hands. Position the left foot so that it is pointing at 45 degrees and the entire foot is on the ground. Steady yourself, and as you take a deep breath in, bring your torso up and extend your arms over your head. This is Warrior 2 position. Keep pushing your right hip back so that your torso is facing front. Keep your tailbone tucked in. Then as you breathe in, extend back. As you exhale, move forward towards the right thigh. This is like a let it go position. Again, inhale, extend up. Exhale, let it go. Keep going deeper down with each breath. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, let it go. Come up and straighten the right leg. Then turn to face the left side. Pivot the right foot so that it points diagonally. Adjust the back leg in a similar fashion. Now as you take a deep breath in, start pushing your hips back and squat down to goddess pose. Stay here for a second and exhale up. Again, inhale, squat down. Exhale up. We'll do 3 more. In the last one, stay down and start pulsing. We'll do 10 micropulses. In the last one, stay and push your right knee out with your right hand while resting the left elbow on the left thigh. Then repeat for the left side and come back up. Turn to your left and get ready to do Warrior 2 again on the other leg. Your left front foot should be pointing towards the left side and right foot diagonally. As you take a deep breath in, bring both arms up, and as you exhale, bend your left knee to come to Warrior 2. Again, inhale deeply and extend back. Exhale, let it go. Inhale up. Exhale, let it go. Last one. Inhale back. Exhale, let it go. Bring both your arms down to the floor and step your right leg in. Bring your hips down and lie down on the floor. Fold your knees and bring them close to your hips. Keep your hands close to your feet. Then as you inhale, slowly start raising your hips as high as you can go. As you exhale, come down. Again, inhale up, exhale down. 8 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Make sure your knees are not falling out and you keep pushing them in. In the last one, stay up. We'll do 10 micropulses now. Go up, up, up. Feel those glute muscles really heating up. Slowly come down. Again, as you inhale, bring your hips up. Then raise your left leg straight up, maintaining the position of the hips. Exhale, come down. Inhale up, keeping the leg extended up. Exhale down. Repeat 8 more times. Keep breathing and get those hips as high as possible. Last one, and then switch sides and repeat. Finally, come down and let your knees fall out and rest in Supta Bhadrasana. Then bring your knees in and place your right ankle over the left knee. Grab hold of your left leg with both hands and pull the left leg towards the chest. Stay here for a few breaths and then switch. Bring the left ankle over the right knee and pull the right leg with both hands and stay. Then release. Slide your left thigh over the right thigh and twist to the right. Try to keep your left shoulder on the ground and look towards the left side. Slowly release and repeat the twist for the other side. Release the twist and relax in Shavasana. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.